Hey everyone, I'm Julia, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your old Twitter replies manually and the faster way with one click. So let's start with the basic method on Twitter itself. First, open your profile and scroll through your tweets. Find a reply you want to delete. Click on the three dots next to it and hit delete. That's it. Simple, but painfully slow if you've got dozens or hundreds of replies. Now here's the better way. You can delete all your replies at once with Circleboom Twitter. Once you're logged into Circleboom, head to the Essential toolbox in the left menu. Click on Delete Tweets. Then hit the Filter Options button at the top. From the filter panel, choose Replies as the post type and uncheck everything else. Click Apply Filters. Now you'll only see your reply tweets. Ready for the magic? Click Delete All Filtered at the top and boom. Circleboom clears out every reply for you. No more scrolling, no more clicking replies one by one. And Circleboom is an official partner of X, so it's completely safe to use. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more ways to manage your Twitter like a pro. Happy Circlebooming!